If you accidentally pluck a little owl's feather, you better watch out. They're some of the fiercest birds of prey out there. Owls might look goofy and harmless during the day. Anyone can mess with them, and they won't fight back. But once night falls, they transform into deadly hunters. With their incredible night vision, silent flight, and razor-sharp talons, they dominate the skies. Almost no other bird stands a chance against them. The owls hold grudges. Big time. The only reason they don't retaliate during the day is that their eyes are built for low light, so their daytime vision isn't great. But don't be fooled. They're just biding their time, plotting their revenge for when darkness falls. Funny enough, owls also have a bit of a cat-like side, which is why some people keep them as pets. They can slim themselves down to look more intimidating, but once they realize it's just their owner, they puff back up into their usual round, adorable selves.